down into the light now. To the light, lost and down, down into the light now. To the light, lost and down, down into the light now. To the light, lost and down, down into the light now.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Glammy Aviator, and firstly I would like to say I'm very sorry that I was not able to continue making videos on my channel. I know I just uploaded 2 videos and then I was vanished. The reason being I was busy in my work and plus my laptop was not working, so I was not able to edit the videos. Yes, now that we are back, I will try to be more constant on this channel. But for today's video, I'm going to be talking about everything which you want to know about menstrual cups. Yes, we are going to talk about periods and menstrual cups, and I will be telling you stuffs. So I have been using menstrual cups from last 4 years or 3 years. This is my 4th menstrual cup. I ordered a P-Safe menstrual cup. I'm recording the video in my mobile, so I believe you can see the mirror image, but this is somewhat how the packaging looks like. Now inside this, it comes with a bag where you can store your menstrual cup, and this is how the menstrual cups look like. Okay, now I have 2 menstrual cups. Let's first talk about its sizing. This is a small size in a menstrual cup. It comes with various sizes. It depends upon, it comes in extra small, medium and large. In P-Safe it comes with extra small and a large. So extra small is for those who are first timers and below 18. If you are 16, 17, go for the extra small size. If you are 18 and above, make sure you take small size, and if you have given a vaginal birth or a normal birth, make sure you go for the larger size. Okay, now why menstrual cups? Why I'm using menstrual cups, or why I switched to menstrual cups? So there are various factors. First thing is they are eco-friendly and they are good. It saves a lot of money. It's an investment, cause approximately if we see a larger pack of sanitary napkins come around 350 rupees. Okay, and so if we calculate within a year, it goes around 4,560 bucks. So this cup is reusable and the cost for this is just $4.99, so you are saving a lot of money and you can use this cup up to 5 years. Now talking about this cup is made from pure medical silicone, 100% medical silicone, and this cup is SGS tested, that is General Society of Surveillance. Thousands of products are tested by this company, and so yeah, it's a trusted product. You can trust this product holds certification that it's not harmful and it's good to go. Many people can use it. Next thing is this is a latex free product. So latex is used to make synthetic rubbers. Also this is BPA free product, that is bisphenol A, that is a chemical which is used to make reusable plastic, mainly baby bottles, but that chemical is very fatal and harmful. So yes, it's BPA free, so you can use it freely and it has no toxics. So yes, it's very safe to use. Now coming up to how can I use it. So what you have to do is you just have to take the cup, fold it. There are various folds. If you see the manual, you can see it, which is inside this. See, they have shown various folds. What you can do is either you can do a C fold like this and then put it in your vagina or your VJJ and just leave it. it will open like this after some time, and then it will create a suction, so you cannot pull it out. Or you can fold it like this and make kind of a lotus or a flower shape, and then again you can put it inside your vagina. It will inflate slowly and it will create a suction, so it won't come out. Now, how can you remove the cup? So basically you just have to punch in and pull out, and then empty the cup, wash it, and again you can put it in. Now before using the cup, make sure you sterilize it, boil some water and boil this cup in it for 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, now let's answer some of the questions. So first question is that, does this cup hurt? No, it's made from pure medical silicone. It's very soft, as you can see, so it does not hurt. I am using this since 4 to 5 years, not 4 to 5, 3 to 4 years, and I have not faced any issues or whether I have complained that it's hurting. Yeah, it might hurt if you get a bigger size or if you choose the size wrong, but that's the reason I have mentioned sizing and everything, what size should you get, it's mentioned in this video. Next question is that, can I pee? Of course you can pee. I will be adding a picture, you can see somewhere in the screen. Your urethra and your uterus are different, so you have no issues in peeing. Main question, how long it can hold blood flow? So now I will be very honest, it depends upon your blood flow. If you have very heavy flow, I would say empty the cup within 3 hours and reuse it, wash it and then reuse it. If you have a very light flow, you can use this cup for 8 to 12 hours. This cup can hold up till 6 to 8, 12 hours, so feel free to roam around. The most often question which I get is, can I sleep? Yes, you can sleep. Okay, so now while I was doing my research on menstrual cups, I saw many videos on YouTube, and they said that you should get the cup according to your flow, but that's not true, because I flow very heavily and so I got the large size, but that's not how it is. It's mentioned from by your age, and trust me guys, you don't bleed a lot as you feel, as a sanitary napkin would make you feel that you bleed a lot and everything, but you don't. So this cup can hold up to 20 ml of blood, so which is a very good quantity, and you won't flow this much. But still, if you feel that you have a very high bleeding or high flow, you can always empty the cup within 3 hours and then you can reinsert it after washing it. So yeah, that's how you can do it. Now let's talk about when I said you will get 2 to 3 periods to use to it or to know how to use this cup properly. So for that, by that time you can use a sanitary napkin or you can use panty liners. Again, these panty liners are biodegradable, so these cause no harm to the environment. Plus it comes in I bought this pack of 50 napkins and it costed me around $240, which is a pretty good deal I feel. And again, panty liners are very useful for various things such as vaginal dispose or your tampon leakage, or if you are a first timer using the menstrual cup, definitely it will leak because you are not used to it, you don't know how to insert it properly, so it might leak. So panty liners are your lifesaver in that thing. Or post intercourse discharge, it can hold up to everything and you can feel fresh. Also good for post intercourse discharge. So now this is the box, this is the packaging, and let me show you. This is how it comes. Now I will just talk about panty liners a little. So this is how this panty liner comes in. You can see it's very comfortable in this shape. And this is the sticker. So how to use it? Just how you use your sanitary napkins. It's just the same way. Only thing being, it does not have any wings, so it's not irritating. And so now, why did I choose P-Safe panty liners? Is because they are, first thing, mainly because they are biodegradable, and second thing, if you see the the material of this, it's pure cotton. It's not like the other panty liners or the sanitary napkins material which we get. It causes infection and itchiness and redness, rashes, everything happens. So that was the main reason why I switched to menstrual cups and why I got these particular panty liners. And these panty liners are really good. So I would suggest you to get one try, use it daily. It's good. It saves you from that stain which you get from the vaginal dispose. So yes, panty liners are your lifesaver. It can save you in surprise periods or tampon leakage or the vaginal dispose and the stain caused by all this vaginal dispose or post intercourse discharge. So yeah, it's a good way to, it's a good habit for hygiene. And this particular panty liners I would recommend to everyone because the material is very soft, it's pure cotton, so it's good. Next up, now we are talking about this all vagina and hygiene thing. I would also recommend to all the girls to get your hands on a toilet sanitizer, just because we are very sensitive and very prone to infections, and vaginal infections are not good thing. They are not at all good. They hurt, they are, it's like you cannot even talk to anyone about those infections. You feel awkward going to a doctor for any vaginal infections. There are many people who might feel awkward. So it's better if you are in public or if you are in office, I would suggest you to get your hands on this. Now this is somewhat costly. I would say this is 50 ml of spray bottle. It's P-Safe solid sanitizer, and it costed me around 120 bucks. Now how to use this? Just open it, spray it on your toilet seat, wait for 10 seconds and you're good to use it. Now pros of using this: if you're in a public toilet, you know how smelly the public toilets are. So it will give you a fragrance and it will sanitize your toilet seat, so you're good. You're at least bit safe to use a public toilet. And yes, it contains 10% of alcohol. Yes, 10% of alcohol it contains, so it's good. I would definitely suggest you all to get hands on this. I will link down all the products which I have shown here. So now if you don't want to get your hands on these products, if you feel this costly or if you're not feeling good about this brand, I will definitely link other brands as well for both, for menstrual cup as well and for the panty liners as well. So this is all for the today's video. I hope to see you next time and with another video, another content, another review. I hope you enjoyed the video, and make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel and share this video, and comment down what you want me to do next. Yes, thank you for watching.
You make my heart beat,
make my heart beat super fast.